Hello everyone, myself Jinesh Kaneria. In this video, we continue with the eukaryotic diversity part 3 classification of the virus. Classification of the virus are carried out in two ways. International Committee on Taxonomy Classification System or David Baltimore Classification System. So first of all, we discuss about the International Committee on Taxonomy of the Viruses. Virus classification start at the level of order and it continue as follow requirement of this classification system. First, virus can be classified on the basis of order. So it will be also represent as a virials. Then family is also represent as a viriates. Subfamily, virion, genus represent as a viruses and species. So these are the 5 different part of the viral classification systems can be carried out in a International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. Species name are generally take the form of the disease carried out via viruses. Classification system in nowadays are developed with the 7 order. It means 7 orders are developed for the classification system. Main area of the classification part. Then 96 family in these 7 orders are available. 22 contain the subfamily. 420 genera are available and the 2618 species are available of the viruses have been defined by the International Committee of Taxonomy of Viruses. So these are the classification system nowadays follow through the ICTV guideline, International Committee of Taxonomy of the particular virus. And in this viruses condition, it's divided into the 7 order, and each 7 order contain the 96 number of the family and 22 contain the subfamily, 420 genera and 2618 number of the species are reported in a ICTV taxonomy classification system regarding to the viral component. So in this condition, a classification system are included a particular group. So this particular group are divided on the basis of its genomic material or the infectivity of the particular components. So we discuss first group 1. So group 1, all the group 1 viruses are included in this category. It's contain a double-stranded form of the DNA. So this double-stranded form of the DNA containing viruses are included into the group 1. So what are the viruses or what are the example of these viruses are included into the group 1? So these are the cudovirials are the tailed, or it will be an example tailed virus. It will contain the tail portion of bacteriophage. Herpes virals, it's contain the large eukaryotic double-stranded DNA virus. So these herpes virus are capable to infect the eukaryotes or particular eukaryotic cell to infect the particular host or particular animal, or the herpes virus are contain the double-stranded DNA containing viruses. So it will be included in this double-stranded DNA in group 1. Third one is a ligand virals. So this contain the linear form of the double-stranded DNA, or it will be responsible for the generation of the infectious condition in Archaebacteria. So these are the Archaebacterial infectious conditions developed through this type of the viral component. Herpes virials are also responsible for the generation of the infectious condition in a eukaryotic double-stranded DNA virus, or the pseudovirals are a tailed virus, which means it contains the tail portion like look like as a bacteriophage. So these are the bacteriophage type of the virus, contain the double-stranded form of the DNA virus. Then we go for, or a orders are developed on the basis of availability of the viruses in a particular order. So we directly move from the group 1 to group 4. So what are the function or what are the criteria of the group 4? So these are the contain the plus sign. Plus sign, SS means single stranded RNA. So plus sign and group 5 contain the minus sign. So these are the, what are the meaning of this plus and minus strain? So this plus strain or the minus strain, it means it represented the particular condition of the genomic material. It means positive sense of the RNA or positive sense of the DNA, either single stranded or double stranded. So these positive sense of the RNA are capable to converted from the RNA to DNA form. It means it will be a retranscribed, or it will be a reverse transcriptase condition. Those RNA contain the reverse transcriptase condition. It means it are related to the positive sense. It means it will be converted from the RNA to DNA also. So this is denoted as a plus sign. Or in case of the minus sign, RNA are not capable to convert into the DNA form. So it will be not responsible or not capable to convert the retranscriptase system. So this will be related to the minus sign. So the group 4 are divided on the basis of positive single stranded form of the RNA. So the example of this single positive sense of the RNA is a nidovirials are the composed of the positive strand of the single stranded RNA virus, and it will be capable to infected the vertebral host. All the vertebrate host are affected with the help of this kind of the single stranded positive sense RNA containing nidovirial viruses. Picornavirials. Picornavirials. It also contain the small amount of the positive sense of the single stranded RNA virus, and then it infect the variety of host like a plant, insects or other animal hosts. So these viruses are capable to infected either plants, some of the insects and some of the animal host also. Third example is a thymovirials. First, second and third example. So these thymovirials are contain a monoparasite, or it will be contain the only one infected condition to the particular area of host cell. So this monoparasite contain single stranded form of the RNA virus that are capable to infect only the plant host or the plant cell. So these are the condition of thymovirials. So these are the group 4 positive sense of the RNA containing genomic components. And what are the area of this kind of the viruses are generate the infection in a different condition. So these nidovirials are infected to the particular vertebral host. Picornavirials are responsible for the generation of the infection in case of the plant, insect or animal host. Or thymovirials are responsible, or it contain the monoparasitite condition, or it will be single infectious condition only on the plant, not other host are infected to this viral component. Or a group 5 contain the single stranded RNA. So these group 5 single stranded RNA containing virus are the mononegavirals. So these kind of the mononegavirals included the non-segmented strain of the single stranded RNA, and it will be represented in form of the plants or animal virus also. Another uh, difference in between the positive or negative sense of the RNA is basically a genomic content are divided into the segment or not segment. It means, for example, this is the RNA, single stranded RNA. So in case of the positive sense of the RNA, this RNA will be divided into the segment like this. So these are the first segment, second segment, third, or fourth. Or in case of the negative sense of the RNA, so the negative sense, in no any kind of the segment are available. So these are the single strand or no segment available in case of the negative sense of the RNA. So in this condition, these are the positive sense of the RNA, segmented RNA component, and these on a particular segment of the RNA are responsible for the individual function. Or in case of the single stranded RNA, in negative sense, it will be only on directly converted the particular function. So no any kind of the segment are available. So these are the another difference between the positive sense or negative sense of the RNA. Or it will be able to infect plant or animal viruses also. So અહીંયા સુધી બધાને ક્લિયર? આપણે શું વાત કરીએ છીએ ક્લાસિફિકેશન સિસ્ટમની અંદર? Hello. So all of you clear with this content of classification of the viruses? Okay. The next point is a classification system, or how the virus are categorized on the basis of different criteria. So for example, coronaviruses. So coronavirus is a new viruses involved from the nature, and then it will be capable to infect the particular humans as a eukaryotic cell. So in this condition, what are the source of the viruses, and then what are the similarity of the viruses to the other virus, and what are the symptoms of the viruses to cause the infection. So the viral coronavirus is directly infected to our respiratory system. So this kind of the specificity of the infectious condition of the viruses are categorized, and then it will be differentiated on the basis of infectious source, and what are the similarity to the other viruses available into the nature, and what kind of the genomic content and what kind of the structural similarity are available to the new virus. So these criteria are common characteristic are share with the particular existing virus કે જે virus પહેલાથી available છે, and then after it will be available to the particular condition. So an order, International Committee ICTB Viral Classification System order. So these are the order are created, or it will be a last name is a LES, or specifically ES. So this ES is a represented from the any name of the viruses. So this represent as a grouping of family of the virus that share the common characteristic. So which common characteristic share a particular virus family, then it will be decided the particular order of the virus. Then family. So this family are represent at the last is a DAE. So these are the represent the grouping of the genera. Which kind of the genera are similarity to the particular viruses that share the common characteristic. So this family is divided on the basis of genera. Subfamily are not used in all the family, but some kind of the viruses having the subfamily. All the virus do not have the subfamily. Some kind of the viruses having the subfamily. So this subfamily are allow for the more complex or hereditary or the particular taxonomic variability or the taxonomic classification system. So it depends on the particular family, or most of the cases do not have the subfamily of the particular virus. Some have the virus subfamily, then it will be categorized on the hereditary changes of particular viruses. Genera, it will be decided a grouping of this species of particular virus that sharing the common characteristic. So these are the virus share a common species, or which kind of the species similarity represented by a virus. So these kind of the classification are decided the particular genera on the basis of species, and the species are defined a particular virus. So this define, or it will be definition is accepted by the International Committee of Taxonomical Virus Classification System. A virus species is defined. A species can be further broken down into the strain or variants, etc. It means a virus species is a defined. A species can be further broken down into the strain or variant. It means uh, nowadays virus are available in form of the coronavirus. So these coronavirus are available. So these are the species of the corona species, but it will be further broken down. It means some of the characters or some of the uh, infectious capacity are changed into the corona. So these coronavirus are further broken down into the different strain or the different variant. So these are the category of particular species into the subcategory. It means coronavirus are divided basically into the four criteria: alpha, beta, gamma, or epsilon. So these alpha, beta, gamma, and epsilon, these are the four strain of the coronaviruses or four variant. So these four variant are available into the nature to responsible for the causing the particular disease. So these kind of the species are also defined. A species can further broken down into the different strain or different variant. So these are the classification system. First, a strain and variant are decided to the particular species. Then on the basis of the species, a genera will be decided. So the grouping of the species of the particular virus are common characteristic decided the genera. All the viruses do not have the particular subfamily. So in this condition, a type of genera are decided the family of the particular viruses, or a family of the particular viruses decided the order. These are the family is decided the order of the particular virus. So these are the cyclic channel of classification system of virus. First, species and the strain or other variant can decide the particular species of the virus. Then a particular virus are decided, a particular species decided the genera of the viruses. Then a genera can decided the family of the particular viruses, and the family can decide the order of the viruses. Okay, so these are the increasing order are related to the particular classification system. The species is directly related to the genera. Genera is directly related to the family, and the family is directly related to the order of the particular virus component. So these are the classification system included into the particular virus are categorized on the basis of this criteria, or any new virus are included. So these kind of the classification systems are matched with the common characteristic with the particular viruses, and then it will be included into the classification system. So all are clear with this classification condition? All of you are clear with this classification system? So stepwise we can identify the particular criteria. So first, species of the virus, the definition are accepted via International Committee of Taxonomical Virus Classification System. On the basis of species, a genera are decided, a virus are grouping of the species. Then on the basis of genera, some viruses have the family subfamily, but most of the cases virus do not have any subfamily. So not use in all the family, but allow for the more complex of the viruses. Then genera will be decided the family or the grouping of particular viruses, and then order of the viruses are divided, or it will be classified on the basis of grouping of family. So these are the cyclic process of particular virus conditions. Species decided the particular viruses on the basis of accepted definition via ICTV. Genera will be depends on the species of virus. Subfamily are allowed in case of the more complex condition, otherwise is directly genera decided the family of the viruses, and then a family of the viruses are decided the order of particular virus. Okay, system is a virus can be classified according to the relationship between the genome and the viral mRNA. So these are the classification system are directly based on the genome and the viral mRNA. So the class of these particular viruses are divided into the different 7 class, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So these 7 different classification systems are occurs in a Baltimore classification system. So first class of this Baltimore classification system are contain the only double stranded DNA genome. So these are the classification systems are carried out on the basis of only double stranded form of the DNA genome are available. Then class 2, this class 2 contain only a single stranded DNA genome. So these are the classification system involve only virus contain the single stranded DNA genome. Then class 3 is contain the double stranded RNA genome. So in this condition, a virus contain the double stranded form of the RNA genome. And the class 4 is contain the positive strand of RNA genome. Class 5, it contain the negative strand of the RNA genome. Then class 6 are contain the retrovirus. So it will be capable to convert the reverse transcriptase system. It means it will be converted from the RNA form to DNA form. Or class 6, 7, it will be double stranded DNA reverse transcriptase virus. So these are the class 7 double stranded form of the DNA retroviruses. So it means a DNA containing virus, then it will be converted into the RNA form via reverse transcriptase virus. So these are the 7 different class of the virus are available into the Baltimore classification system. So in the condition of this particular Baltimore classification system, DNA viruses are classified in a two different category. First category are double stranded viruses containing DNA virus. So these viruses are available envelope or unenveloped. So these are the double stranded viruses are divided into the two category, envelope viruses or unenveloped viruses. So envelope virus, it means a genomic content in form of the DNA or in form of the RNA. So these are the genomic content. So these genomic content are covered with the particular nucleoprotein. So our outer coat are available in all of the viruses, but some of the viruses are contain the additional envelope in form of the nucleoprotein. So these nucleoprotein are known as envelope viruses, or nucleoproteins cover are not available, so this is called as a unenveloped viruses. So this DNA double stranded form of the DNA viruses are available in a two way, envelope form or unenveloped form. So envelope form of the viruses are the example of the particular Hepedna viruses, herpes viruses or pox viruses. So these are the examples of the particular DNA viruses contain the envelope form. Unenveloped form of the viruses in form of the double strand of the virus are the adenoviruses, papilloma viruses or polyoma viruses. So these are the three kind of the viruses are the example of the unenveloped virus DNA strain containing virus example. So these are the examples of the particular Hepedna virus, herpes virus and pox virus are the envelope virus. Unenveloped virus examples are the adenovirus, papilloma virus or polyma viruses. Then DNA also available in form of the single stranded RNA. So single stranded RNA containing viruses are not categorized into the two form, envelope or unenveloped form. It will be directly connected with the unenveloped viruses. So unenveloped virus are the parvoviruses. So these are the example of the parvoviruses. Unenveloped virus, single stranded containing genome. So these are the examples of the DNA virus is available in form of the double stranded, single stranded, envelope form or unenveloped form. So next is the RNA virus. So RNA viruses are further divided into the four different category. Positive sense of the RNA in form of the unenveloped or in form of the envelope form. So this positive sense of the RNA are containing the calcic viruses or picoma viruses. So these are the example of the positive sense of the RNA containing viruses. Next is a envelope form of the viruses. So the second one is a positive sense of the RNA is a most recently identified virus is a coronaviruses, falciviruses or toga viruses. So these are the three examples of the envelope virus, and the coronavirus are containing the positive sense of the RNA genome in a particular viruses. So these are the positive sense of the RNA virus. Next one is a negative sense of the RNA virus. So negative sense of the RNA virus are basically in form of the envelope viruses. So envelope form only available into the negative sense of the RNA. So these are the examples of the arena viruses, Buna viruses, filoviruses, orthomyxoviruses, paramyxoviruses or rhabdoviruses. So these are the examples of the enveloped viruses available in a negative strand of the RNA genome containing viruses. Some of the viruses are the examples of the either positive sense or either negative sense of the RNA. Both of the RNA genome are available in positive sense or as well as negative sense, but the genomic content is a RNA form. So these kind of the genomic content available in a double capsid layer. So these are the some complex form of the viruses. So in this condition, both of the viruses are contain the double capsid virus, or it will be contain the positive sense as well as negative sense of the RNA genome. So these are the double capsid viruses, or it will be known as a retroviruses. So these retroviruses are form a particular condition of RNA genome in double capsid layer or contain the positive as well as negative sense. So in this condition, virus contain the particular letter C letter, L letter. So the meaning of this C and L is a DNA available in which form? It means a Hepda virus is available in a circular form. Herpes viruses are available into the linear form. It means a C is represent as a circular DNA available in a particular virus, or the L form is represent as a linear form. Linear form, it means a single strand either is a double strand, but it will be a structure is a linear form, not a circular form. So these are the circular form, these are the single stranded form. S means single stranded form, L means linear form, C means circular form, L means linear form. So these are the position or availability of the particular virus in a particular structure. Or positive sense of the RNA viruses are converted in form of the DNA. So these are the viruses are available from the DNA to RNA in positive strand. So these are the conversions of the DNA to RNA via reverse transcriptase system. So transcription system is a convergence of the DNA to RNA. DNA to RNA form. But in case of the convergence of the particular form RNA to DNA, so these are the conversions is known as a reverse transcriptase system. So this positive sense of the RNA, it will be converted into the DNA. So RNA containing DNA form are available in a envelope form. So these are the condition of the envelope viruses. So these are the example of the retroviruses. So retrovirus are the example of envelope virus. Okay. So in short, a DNA either RNA, a virus are available into the two different condition. In form of the single stranded, either in form of the double stranded. Single stranded or double stranded form are generally further divided into the two category, envelope form or unenvelope form. So basically double stranded of the DNA are converted into the two form, double envelope or unenvelope virus, or single stranded form are generally in a single form, either envelope or either unenvelope form. Then RNA viruses are divided into the four different category. Positive sense of the RNA and negative sense of the RNA. Positive sense of the RNA are divided into the two different classification condition, and unenveloped or envelope viruses. Then single stranded negative strand of the RNA are contain the envelope only. Positive, negative, both genome containing RNA viruses are available in a double capsid layer around the particular virus or genomic content. Or in case of the convergence of the DNA to RNA or RNA to DNA via reverse transcriptase system. So these kind of the virus are contain the envelope form of the virus, or the example of this virus are the retroviruses. So these are the classification systems are available in a particular condition. So these are the discussion we carried out regarding the classification system available in a particular condition. First we discuss about the International Committee of Nomenclature of the Virus is known as the ICTV virus, or first accepted classification system is a ICTV classification system. First, before the ICTV classification system, first is a David Baltimore give the virus classification system.